Morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. I welcome you all to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Let's recall what all things we have discussed in the previous class. We have learned about radiation. No medium is required for transfer of heat by radiation. So here, chapter 4, heat is over. So today we will be discussing about text exercise. So dear students, all of you be ready with the textbook, pencil, pen and one notebook. Before that, let's revise what all things we have learned in this chapter. We have learned about hot and cold objects, measuring temperature, transfer of heat, clinical and laboratory thermometer. We have also learned with the help of examples and activity, conduction, convection and radiation, and kinds of clothes we wear during summer and winter season. So dear students, now all of you open your textbook, page number 45. Exercise. State similarities and difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. If we talk about the similarities, both are made of glass and consist of long, narrow glass tube. At one end, both of them have a bulb. Bulbs of both the thermometer consist of mercury. Differences. Range of laboratory thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, while the range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Question number 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Conductors, iron, copper. Insulator, plastics and wood. Fill in the blanks. The hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer, clinical thermometer. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. Clothes of dash color absorbs more heat better than clothes of light color. Dark. Match the following. Land breeze blows during night. Sea breeze blows during day. Dark colored clothes are preferred during winter. Light colored clothes are preferred during summer.
Question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. During winters, we prefer wearing more layers of clothing than just one thick piece of clothing because air gets trapped in between the various clothing layers. Being a poor conductor of heat, air prevents heat loss from our body. Hence, layers of clothing keep us warmer than a single layer. Question number 6. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection, and by radiation. Now here if you can see, when this fire heats up this vessel which contains water, so how is the vessel getting heated up? The vessel is getting heated up by conduction. That is how solids gets heated up by direct contact. Now, how the water is being getting heated up the fluids. So water is being heated up by convection. And what about this fire? The fire is also radiating heat to the surrounding. So that is radiation. Question number 7. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses to be painted white. Explain. Because in hot climate, we do not want inside of the house also to be very hot. So we would prefer it to be painted in a color which reflects most of the light and absorbs very less heat. So the light colors absorbs less heat, so white reflects most of the radiation. So it will keep the interior cool because white color absorbs less radiation and it reflects most of it. So the house remains cool.
Number 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Because hot water loses the heat and simultaneously cold water gains heat. This keeps the temperature in between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. Number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball because both of them have the same temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end does not become cold because wood is a bad conductor of heat. Question number 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Students, today we have discussed about text exercise. In the next class, we will be discussing about new chapter. I have attached the URL video and notes to the classroom. And as you know, there will be the test paper related to this topic, lesson number 4, heat. So all of you attend the test paper and post it. So dear students, all of you please read the textbook, lesson number 4, heat. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.